Hey up everyone, how are you all doing? Here's just a channel update, a quick video for our channel update. It is Scorchio. It's about 10 o'clock I believe, it is 10 o'clock and the weather today is red hot, it's beautiful. I'm just out walking Rambo, take a look around. It's like another country, isn't it Rambo? So I've not really done any channel updates and I want to do this just to let everybody know, whoever's watching, what videos I'm going to be publishing, where I am at the moment. Okay, so at the moment I've been publishing our second Ukraine journey, our second Ukraine trip. I've published part 2 and I've also published the return home journey, or part of it, from our first Ukraine trip. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just working on part 3 of our second Ukraine journey, which will be published next. Then I'm going to publish our part 2 of our journey home from our first one. I know it's a little bit backwards, but I kind of got tangled up with videos what I've been doing over the year. We've been very busy this year, so it's been hard to publish anything. So what it is, I've got a massive backlog of videos that are unpublished and unedited footage. They're on my hard drive at the moment in folders, so I need to get through all that. Hopefully I can get that damn R1 video done some point this year, next few weeks. But I've got the RSV project that I painted for fast bikes, so I've got a lot, 4 hours of footage to get through, so I need to get through that. I won't try and do it all in a one-er. It probably will be 2 parts, so I've got that to do after the Ukraine journey. And I also have another Aprilia to paint and some more Aprilia RSV panels to paint, and I've also got that S-Rad. I've got an S-Rad to build. So that said, I've also got a GPZ to do. After that I'm going to be project free for a while because I want to get out riding, do some motovlogging. We're also going to the Veterans Motocross of Nations at Fox Hills. We're going to that. It's a brilliant event. I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to be camping out all weekend. We'll be there from Thursday, so if you're interested in motocross, vintage motocross, and check it out, get some tickets and get yourself there. So if you want to know what these events are like, scroll right down in my videos list and you'll see us at Farleigh Castle for the Veterans Motocross of Nations. We videoed that, we stayed there for a weekend. It was absolutely amazing. So if you like vintage motocross events or old school motocross, take it back to your days, don't miss out on this event. It's absolutely fantastic, the last one, and we're really looking forward to this one. Okay, so me and Rambo are going to make our way home now. He's going to have some water, some breakfast, and I'm going to get lots of editing done. Guess who's going in the bath when we get home? Great. Oh, look at your paws. Show me your paws. Oh dear, oh smelly. Your face is absolutely filthy. Look at your face. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, so I'm gonna get Rambo home. And he's going to have a bath outside, I believe. He is filthy. And he stinks as well. Stinks like a pond. Okay, so here's a recap of what is happening. The next video will be our 3rd part to our second Ukraine journey, where we are in Ukraine. Then followed by our second part to our journey home from our first Ukraine journey. Okay, I'm going to try and get that out. Then I'll be doing the 4th part to our second Ukraine journey. I hope we can take that on board, but I just wanted to get this recap out just to save any confusion if people are wondering what is happening, because I have posted a lot on Instagram about the videos that are coming out. When I've finished publishing all my Ukraine videos, then I will publish the Aprilia RSV video, which I've painted for Fast Bikes magazine. So I will be publishing that. I've got that to edit. There's nearly 4 hours of footage. Look at Rambo, how cute he is. Stinks as well. Yeah, So I've got lots and lots of footage to publish. The reason why I did not finish off our first Ukraine journey, why I did not publish the journey home, wow, this is confusing. The reason why I did not finish publishing the journey home is because at the time it came out in the press of the Butcher massacres and all the further atrocities that Russia were performing in Ukraine, and it just switched me off from it. It totally lost my focus, and I didn't want to put any more videos out. Oh dear, we've got a road closed. Damn it, I'm gonna go back around. Same vans go down here. Always a farce. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the videos off, and hopefully it'll inspire you to go out there and do an aid mission yourselves. Excuse this road is really damn bumpy. All roads in England are bumpy.